This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. In this assignment, we'll try to understand calculating GST based on some category. So for that, we are having one table, and if we are just trying to add an item, there should be some category showing up. And in this, it has to show with maybe 3 or 4, whatever. If I'm selecting some category like travel, and for that, if I'm trying to enter an amount, so whenever I tab out of this, what should happen is like there should be some percentage of GST to be calculated. So for travel, GST will be 5%, meaning, so here GST calculated is 50 rupees out of this, and the total amount will be like 1000 plus 50 1050. This is the total amount. So we can able to see here also the same figure, and total cost is like this. Now if I'm trying to add one more item, and if we are selecting something like food as the option, let me enter some amount. So for food, we are having 12% GST defined in the background, and for that amount 12% will be GST amount, and total amount will be this one. And we can see total GST as like 170 rupees, that is like 50 plus 120, and total amount will be this plus this, we can see the same. So let me try for one more record, maybe healthcare. So for healthcare, GST percentage defined in the backend table will be like 18 percentage. So we can see 18 percentage out of that, and total amount is this, and total GST to be paid and total cost should be this one. So if I'm trying to add one more thing, it has to calculate accordingly, and total will be showing up here. Now suppose if you're trying to delete it, then that particular record will be anyway deleted, and total GST and total cost also should be affected. So if I'm trying to delete one more thing, according to that, cost should be calculated. Okay, so point here is when we are trying to add an amount. So let me update this. Maybe I'm trying to update this to something like this. So when we are trying to add an amount, based on its category, it has to pull out what is the GST, and out of that percentage amount should be calculated, and its total amount. And if you're trying to delete, that particular record data has to be subtracted from these two things as well. So please consider this as the assignment. So this will be very good assignment. Every one of you can please give an attempt. Thank you everyone.